Okay, video blog check everybody. Hinaan ko lang tong TV. Video blog check everybody. As I here, we are here sa City of Ilagan in Isabela Province. We are back again here in Isabela. At andito tayo ngayon sa Blanket Hotel, Bed and Breakfast and Cafe. So ito yung aming room accommodation for 8 days here in City of Ilagan. Kasi we are here as a part of the media team to cover the Mamanggi Festival or the Corn Festival of Ilagan here in Isabela. So let's check it out our room. At maganda rito, solo ako kasi usually ibang media are tabi daw eh. Malaki ko. Hindi pwedeng may katabing co-media natin. So they got me. Thank you Miss Rosary. Solo ko ngayong sa room at Blanket Hotel. Di ko alam kung saan ang location ito, no? At kung magkano itong hotel nila, but they have a cafe. Ayan, may cafe. Meron silang parang alfresco area sa baba. Pwede kang tumambay, pahangin, or mag-work or in your laptop. Meron silang parang function room. Doon kami kumakain ng aming dinner kanina. Sarap yung pagkain nila. At merong lounge area. Pakita ko sa inyo. Actually, labas muna tayo. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung rates ng overnight stay dito. But I'll post na lang sa title screen. So, labas tayo. Labas tayo. I'll show you the lobby of Blanket Hotel. Ito siya. Wow, nice. Ito yung parang lounge area. You can do your laptop here. O dito, pwede. And very comfy. It's a nice common room. Tawag yung common room. At ito yung stairs. At ayan, meron pang rooftop pa yata. So, I guess the laundry. At ito yung may parang bridge going to the function room. At it's a very nice parang batibot style. May puno at mayroong alfresco area doon. And this is the Blanket Hotel. At pasok tayo dito sa ating kwarto. At this is it. Baka sa pag abot yung wifi, doon ako magko-computer or maybe dito. Ayan, kunyari kwarto ko to. And this is the lobby area ng mga rooms. This is B, C, and number 2. Ayan, dito ako. At merong ano dito, how to lock the room door. So may instructions, that is nice. So pagpasok, merong lock na ito, no? Meron silang sign dito na do not disturb at make-up room. Lock na natin kasi mag-chinelas na ako mamaya. At merong magandang fire exit, no? So ito tayo. So going there, pababa. Kung saan tayo pumasok, yun lang. At merong fire extinguisher dito. That's very good. Power. Mga ilaw. Mga ilaw. Nice yung ilaw nila. And they have a nice TV. TV. Ayan. The rest, lalagay ko na yung mga damit ko dyan mamaya. At coffee area. Coffee nook. Nescafe. Tama-tama meron ako sarili kong coffee. At hindi ko ilalagay palagi yung susi. Ayan. There's a saksakan. Also saksakan. Speaking of saksakan, there's no other saksakan. Ito lang sa may TV for my phones at for the coffee. Ayan. At mataas yung voltage nito eh. So mag-extension cord na lang ako dito mamaya. Punta rito para makapag-laptop ako. And they have a mirror. Ayan. Mirror. And the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom tour na tayo. Very common style but malinis naman. Have toiletries, toothbrush, toilet paper, the towel and mini towel. May sarili naman akong towel, hindi ko na kailangan yan. Here's the sink. And mirror, medyo madumi yung mirror na. At shower. At, uy, ito yung shower niya. So, delikado. Ito yung shower niya, no? So, ito yung shower. May hot shower. Pero hindi naman ako wala naman akong planong mag-hot shower. I need the cold shower kasi sobrang init. At, meron silang refillables, bath soap, shampoo, at maliit na toothpaste. Ayan. And this is the toilet. May cover. Ayan. It's nice. Another view of the room. Ayan, very nice Ganda, ganda. So, okay, hindi ko pa mapakita yung terrace. Medyo madilim kasi. So, ito yung parang may terrace yata. I'm not sure kung pwede po lumabas. Yeah, pwede lumabas but madilim. Ayoko naman itong buksan. Makita mo yung kinainan namin doon sa kabilang side. So, maybe bukas, we'll try to since 8 days naman kami dito at marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin. Ayan. Tanda ko naka-wide. Ayan. Alright, so that's it guys for our vlog for today. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Check out Blanket Hotel in Ilagan. Magstay kayo dito. So, ayan. I-testingin natin to. No? Alright, so kita-kits and see you soon.